So in order to show your activity status to your friends on your Discord account, what you can do is you can open your Discord account. Then it can be also done on computer or on Android-based phone. However, I'm showing it on iPhone. However, the method is precisely the same. So on your Discord application, you find your account, you open it, and then you go to this settings icon. Okay, you tap on it once, and then it's very, very simple. In the search bar, you want to tap in activity privacy. Now in activity privacy, you will find this activity status in content and social. You tap on it once, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll slightly down to find this server settings, and then in all the servers that you're connected to, you'll be able to choose one and then turn on the activity status, which will basically share your activity status in this server, and you want to toggle it on. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.